launching, like jammed it in the fourth,
and this
let off. He was like, I was like, all right. Oh shit!
It's just
easy
no,
there.
denied.
Right,
Denied.
What the fuck were you doing, boy?
Alright, you're done. Alright, so today's it's gonna be a very repetitive day. So this is like the second time we pulled this tranny. Today's off to an okay start. This fucking guy's pissing me off today. He's being grumpy today. So
I'm grumpy. I don't got my Jeep.
fuck off. He's being a piece of shit to me now.
I couldn't do the daily pulling.
Alright, so we're gonna. Alright, well, I got the new tranny, or the same tranny that I got. Just the thing that went wrong with it was he put the wrong third and fourth slider, I think he called it.
Fourth and fifth.
Third and fourth.
You said fourth and fifth. Whatever.
Whatever.
Wrong slider.
Yeah, it was a wrong slider. So
No fourth.
he told me that those two sliders are very similar, just a minor mess up, but we got it back. So fourth should be pretty minty today.
Should be there. Fourth was on vacation.
Yo, he's on leave. He's on leave.
Say, yo, I'll be back next week.
Going on lunch.
So that's what you guys are about to see today. We showed you how to take off the tranny. Now we're gonna show you how to put the tranny back in. It's pretty much the same thing. You're just gonna putting it in is a lot harder than taking it out, obviously. So we're gonna need the hoist. We're gonna need the hoist for this one and some man strength.
Did you jack it up?
Manpower.
That's what we did last
I honestly
time.
don't feel like getting the
Me either. Me either.
There's three of us. Hit it. He grabbed the tranny at 3 different angles. And
Alright, put that down.
This is one way to do it. You put the transmission on this jack, then you just jack it up, try to get the thing in place, have all the holes line up, then we just gotta push it through. Probably this.
Subframe?
Yeah, subframe. Right here.
Nah.
Yeah, bro. What do you
It's
mean?
sitting right here.
I see it from right here.
No, I'm clearing that. Here we go. Yeah. I got hoes in different area codes. All right, back on track.
Hey, come help me, bro. This thing's gonna fall on me.
I'm giving her all she's got, Captain.
Give her all she's got, Captain. She can't take any more.
Go.
I don't know if this is the right bolt.
Oh my God, Captain.
Yo, we have to watch that fucking video, bro. I have to.
What?
Oh, my arms. Whose finger is this?
That's me.
That's nice.
Stop, you turn me on. It's wet, you gotta slip.
I'm a plumber. I'm always wet.
You like that one? I spit fags, yo. I'll be like, yo, girl, I'll show you how to sweat a pipe, and I'll leave a fucking pipe for you. Fucking real white.
My pipe is silly. Memory card yesterday? I forgot it at home. Cub, you were rushing me.
I think you need a fucking memory card.
Nigga needs more than a memory card.
Yo, my arms are locking up right now.
Hold on, it's almost
Fucking let it go.
in. Yeah,
Let it go?
I'm giving her all she's got, Captain.
Okay, I'm coming up. I'm making like a baby. Head up.
Baby, no te hagas, sé que te gusta, me miraste y te busqué.
Pero dime qué más. Tú hablas mucho y no haces nada.
Baby, no te hagas, sé que te gusta, yeah. Me miraste y te busqué.
Pero dime qué más. Tú hablas mucho y no haces nada.
Yeah. Dime dónde y yo le llego. Pide lo que quiera, baby, a ti no te lo niego, no. Te envío un par de fotos, que yo no la riego. Soy mi novia por hoy, que yo no te la pego. Tú tienes un tesoro, debajo del zipper. Me tienes bien loco, baby, dame el viper. Fuimos para el street club a gastar el ticket y de ti se enamora.
Oh. I quit smoking bugs when you start smoking your jewel. Yo, if I flip. Yeah, buddy. Now we getting that work in. Trans is in. What's going on down here, Captain?
I can't see.
I'm giving her all she's got.
I'm gonna find that clip and I'm gonna put it in.
Bro, you have to. Alright, I'm gonna set this bad boy back up.
hidden camera.
Que te guste, yeah. Me miraste y te busqué.
Pero dime qué más. Tú hablas mucho y no haces nada.
Alright, guys. Back. Transmission is in.
Ground's on.
Alright, transmission is in. Everything's hooked up, all the wires.
He's on front part.
New cotter pins. You see me? See me?
Real fucking light.
There's some new cotter pins over here.
Cubs about to go down there.
Fourth feels very good.
Now saying
Hey, I'm gonna have him do the hash shot because he's been dealing with that for the past fucking.
3 times over
Yeah.
to do this. Yeah.
He's been dealing with that, so.
Where's this axle? Whose body that is?
So.
That whole time we should have the fucking thing on there. Right now. Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna. I'm gonna be recording but not talking because it's cold. We're gonna turn the heater on, so we're just gonna do a time lapse, like I always say we're gonna do, just so we can not be fucking idiots and warm up a little bit because it's really cold in this shop. But you guys get the gist. So now we just have to work on the suspension again, and yeah. So pretty much, whichever side I record, it doesn't matter because it's pretty much identical to what you're doing to one side to the other. So everything's pretty much the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this heater on. I'm gonna get to work.
Champaña, que hay una baby que la mente a mí me daña y yo no sé, una mirada que engaña, parece buena pero conozco su maña. Luz se apaga, que ella le caiga, lo más que a mí me gusta es como ella me baila. Le agarro la cintura y la pongo de espalda, perdona si mis manos entran por tu falda, yeah. Luz se apaga. Solo quiero.
Huh? You ready?
Alright. Pump the brake. Just do it. No, pump the brake. The brake.
What do you mean I'm doing?
I don't know. Alright, try that. You gotta pump the brake. Fucking see me?
Yo, we gotta fix that.
Turn your lights off. No, why did I...
Say heat shield. Are the wheels moving?
Yeah. Can we do your fan off of?
Yo, Cub. It's that heat shield.
What about it?
So I'm in second gear right now. Third gear. Moment of truth, baby. Let's see if fourth gear works. There we go. Now I have all gears again. No more grinding. No more whiny differential. Ah, it feels so good. Let's try fifth gear. Just to make sure all the gears work. Fifth gear. Sixth gear. There we go. Fifth, fourth, third, second. I can't really record this shit. Fucking, oh, there we go. It's a lot harder than you think. All gears work, baby. So, it's always good to have a team behind you.
That wet or what?
give hugs to everybody. It's always good to have a team behind you to help you. Shut the fuck up. Always ruin everything. Come here, handsome. He was grumpy today, but
See me?
I made him happy somewhat.
Yeah.
So the car,
She's good.
that is the first time I've ever enjoyed the car in a long time. First time ever.
First, second, third, fourth.
Bro, I couldn't really get on it because all the fucking turns were... Yeah, Keisha be in there. Yo, the first to second, bro, feels so fucking good. Feels so good. I've never, fourth gear, everything fucking works. Everything. How it's fucking supposed to.
After 3 people driving, you get ripped on. I'm like, fuck. Everybody's
Bro, it feels so fucking good, bro. It feels so good. And the arm work in the back looks good too. Yo, it's coming along good.